Hey everybody, it's Craig Miller here, talking to you today about getting an installment loan. Today we're going to talk about getting one of these loans in the state of Florida. Now, Florida is one of my favorite states, and I know for a fact that installment loans are pretty readily available in this state. So if you're looking for one, then you shouldn't have a problem locating one. So let's get started here. There's a couple options. As I mentioned before, you can actually go to a local brick and mortar location in your area, and they should be able to help you out. Or you can search for a lender online. So let's get started here. First thing that we're going to do is go to a search engine such as Yahoo or Google, and we're going to search for installment loans in Florida. Now here at the search results, you're going to see all kinds of lenders in your area. If you're looking for a 90-day installment loan, then Laser Loan, online lending and borrow in America. These guys are offering a 90-day installment loan in the states of Texas, California, New York, Florida, North Carolina, and Ohio. So if you're looking for between, it says right here, $500 and $1,500, you can borrow it for 90 days at a lower interest rate, it looks like, than the industry standard. It says right here that if your credit score is bad, then you'll be paying APR 350% or higher. So let's take a look here at the fees as far as the state of Florida. The max APR in the state of Florida is 390%, and it says here that strict legislation has been passed for all high yield interest, high yield lending. In the state of Florida, they're allowed to charge 10% max, $5 fee, $500 loan amount plus fee, and length of term length 1 week to 1 month. So Florida has a pretty strict lending policy in the state. You can, however, find lenders in this area that will give you a little bit more than what the industry standard is. Let's take a look at, or not the industry standard, but the actual allowed amount. Let's take a look at installment loans Florida, looking for installment loans. Okay, let's see what this says. Looks like some type of spam website. Let's check the next page here. Advanced Payday Loans. About United Cash Loans 2009. And this looks like some type of blog that someone created. Here we go. Payday Loans 100% online. It says here that you can get up to $1,000 cash loans with flexible payments in Florida. Faster, cheaper. Apply one step in cash now. Practice stiff background information for useful. This here doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. Agree terms of loan application, secure Social Security ID, bring data encryption is at $100. So anyhow, I don't think I would be putting my information in this website. Seems kind of questionable here. The text is not even written in proper English. Paid within an hour, so years old company they are usually, and most working people's job. Terms of repayment plan ways. Okay, let's see if we can find a legitimate lender in the area. Here's a video from what Florida banks offer bad credit installment loans. This looks like some type of spammer here. Subprimeblogger.com. Never heard of him. About installment loans in Florida online. Let's check this one out. And that website is not functioning. So we're not having too much luck finding an installment loan. Oh, here we go. How about Greenleaf Group? This is a pretty solid company. They're operating in several states, including Florida. And let's see what kind of services they have here about installment loans. Plain Green, about Great Plains Linden. Let's go to that website. So as you can see here, finding a reputable company to deal with is somewhat challenging in this state. Seems like there's a lot of spam on the internet. They're saying they're offering up to $1,000 in the state of Florida on your first loan, and at $1,000 is a 349% interest rate with 24 bi-weekly payments of $141. So that doesn't seem too bad considering the interest rates that are nationwide falls within line. So let's say we want this. We can apply for a loan. Let's click on the apply now, and you can get started by putting in all your information: name, date of birth, social security number, driver's license, contact information, your job, and then you have to do these consents here and check those off as you go. So anyhow, this is what it takes to get an installment loan in the state of Florida. If you have any other questions, you can visit my website. The link to that is actually located at the bottom of this video. And there's lots of other great information on finding installment loans in not only the state of Florida, but also other areas in the U.S. So thanks for watching, and good luck finding your next installment loan.